Hey guys, welcome to BitBoy Crypto. I'm your host, BitBoy. Thank you so much for joining us. Please, if you're not a member of our community, hit the subscribe button to become a member of the Bit Squad. If you do, you get to take part in all of the contests that we do here. Well, the contest actually ended 2 days ago. We are going to announce the winner tonight on our live stream at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then we're going to I'm going to let the community pick what you guys want for the next contest, how many winners you want, and stuff like that. So, hey, it's all community and Bit Squad based. So, okay, guys, today we're going to do a quick review of the Ontology mobile wallet, also known as On2. That's O-N-T-O. So, I had some problems when I first started setting this up, and I'm not sure if it's because I'm crazy or if it's because maybe I did everything right, actually. But let's go ahead and pull it up. So here are some wallets I've got. As you can see, On2 is in the bottom, in the middle there. So I'm going to click on that. Now, I think you have to verify with authentication before you're actually able to use this wallet. So if you look at the very bottom of the screen, you'll see the ID icon, the $ icon, and the person icon. Well, for whatever reason, maybe when I set this up, I actually didn't see that at the bottom, or maybe it wasn't there, I'm not sure. Whatever it is, I actually went ahead and authenticated and verified, so I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very easy. If you live in China, which if you do, it's maybe a little bit easier. You would actually do the right box at the top that says CFCA. That's for Chinese citizens. The Identity Mine Global is for people that live in other parts of the world. So all you would do is click on that, and you have 3 different options depending on what country you live in. Identification card, passport, or driver's license. Well, maybe that applies to every country. I'm not sure. But for me, it was easy. I just used the driver's license. And when you go here, you guys can see right here, it is now a transaction on the blockchain that my driver's license was certified. It doesn't give away any personal information here, so that's why I'm showing it to you guys. I did it a few days ago. Now, it takes up to 24 hours. It's your standard KYC. Basically, what you got to do is take a picture of the front of your license and the back of your license. They actually didn't require a picture of yourself, which a lot of them do. So once you have that done and you are verified, you can link different networks. I link my mobile number here. You can link other things such as email, Twitter, GitHub, Facebook. I wouldn't suggest because I hate Facebook, and LinkedIn. And that is the identification part of the wallet. So we're going to start on the right side here. On the right side here, there are different aspects of your settings. As you guys can see, I name what I name my wallet or what I name my account. That's my public address, the address book, the notification center, the settings, the help center, and about us. I guess that's my address. I honestly don't really even know what that is. I guess that's my address, but I haven't set up a wallet yet, so not sure why that would be there. So let's go ahead and set up the wallet. Hit create wallet. Let's name it. I'm going to name it BitBoy. Password. I'm going to have to make it where you guys can't see this part. All right, I have my password in, so now I'm going to hit create. It's going to take 20 seconds. Are you being watched? Now is the perfect time to assess your surroundings. Nearby windows, hidden cameras, shoulder spots. They're really serious about the security here. So now I'm going to give my backup phrase. Obviously, I'm not going to show that to you guys either. Okay, so I now have backed up my wallet, and here is my address up at the top. Let's see if it's the same. No, that is not the same. So I'm not exactly sure what this address here at the top of the settings is. Maybe if you guys are a little more well-versed with Ontology and the way the addresses work, maybe you guys can drop a comment below and let us know. And if you give me some good information, maybe I'll pin it. So, okay, so here is my wallet. This is where I have the estimated value, my public address, Ontology, how much I'm holding. I'm actually going to go ahead and send. Let me hold on one second, guys. All right, guys, that was pretty quick. It only took a couple minutes to get here into my wallet. Actually, probably about 3 minutes before I even picked it up. So it was faster than 3 minutes. It was longer than a minute, but faster than 3 minutes. So, and of course, some of that has to do with the fact I was using Binance to move it over here. So there it is in my wallet. And as you guys can see, there is a difference between the Ontology. The ONG is the Ontology gas, which you should earn by owning Ontology. And then the Ontology that was the Net5 token before it went to its mainnet. So, all right, guys, that's it. That is the Ontology wallet. the mobile wallet walkthrough. If you guys have any questions, drop them down below. If I have time, maybe I'll be able to get to them. I've just been really busy right now or lately, guys, so I haven't been able to get to quite as many comments in the comment section. It's just growing pains, as you guys could probably assume. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching this video. Until next time, BitBoy out. Oh, I forgot to walk off.